Greetings and welcome back to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you another awesome free tool from 4people.com. This is the hot domain finder tool to find domain that are expired with backlinks and traffic. Here it is, and I'll leave the link down below. And here you can sort the hot expired domains by domain popularity or Majestic Backlinks. Majestic is a enterprise level SEO tools for researching keywords, links, and a bunch of other stuff for websites and businesses online. Anyways, here is a example of the list, and you can see first column is the domains and then the status. Currently it is registered or available, when it was dropped or expired, like 2 days ago or yesterday, 5 days ago. The number of Majestic Backlinks over here, domain popularity, backlinks, when the domain was first registered, which is the birth year, and the archive crawl number. So the higher the number, the more web development or website development was happening for this domain. So normally high numbers are good. So something like this right here, 132 archive edits or website edits since 2010 with 1 million or 2 million backlinks. Unfortunately, this is a pretty good domain, 4 letters or 4 character short domain, dropped 5 days ago and somebody already picked it up. Anyways, there are still plenty of pretty good available domain. A lot of them are spam domains from China.cn extension, so you want to be careful with those. And down here, let's click on next to see more opportunities. And again, this is sorted by Majestic Backlinks, each page from the highest to lowest number of Majestic Backlinks. So we got a bunch of other ones right here. And again, this is the daily list, and a lot of these are getting picked up pretty fast, the .com and .net ones. So you want to make sure to check it out daily and pick these up as soon as you can. Some of these are pretty good, valuable ones like CTI web hosting. You're gonna get a lot of free traffic and free backlinks if you want to develop on these domains to rank them and then link to your main website. Here's a pretty good one. Well, it's a short domain, kind of. FW588. It's currently available and it was dropped yesterday. Bunch of backlinks from Moz. And if you click on it right here, it'll take you to Namecheap just to confirm that this domain is available or not. And you can see it is available. And if you want to dig even deeper, head over to 4ppo.com, the all-in-one SEO Rank Checker, which is also free and unlimited. And here you can check the domain right here, type it in, enter it in right here, and this will research and get you all the SEO results, ranking factors from Moz, SEO Rush, social popularity, and backlinks. And here, so you can correlate and make sure that it has good numbers. So page authority 29, domain authority is 1, which is not good. They should both be pretty high up together. So the higher the number, the better. Moz rank 2.9, which is not bad. Links as discovered from Moz. Equity value, SEM Rush. Currently there's no keywords, traffic, or rank found from SEO Rush, which is kind of normal for expired domains and smaller websites. But from SEM Rush, it does record the number of backlinks or link profiles from the different URLs, host name, and domain. Down here are the current Facebook comments, shares, and reaction. So it would be better if it's a good website, expired website with, you know, social comments and things like that, social popularity. But this one's not too bad. And down here it'll explain what each one of these ranking factors are if you're interested in reading them. So it's a good way to buy expired domain. Make sure you, besides just looking at the total numbers Also check out the all-in-one SEO Rank Checker before you buy the expired domain, just to make sure the numbers are consistent across the board. Alright, again, this is a free tool. Find hot expired domain dailies with backlinks, millions of backlinks, and traffic, all free. Links down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy domaining.